Hey everybody, in today's video I'll show you how to download the game That's Not My Neighbor, and I will also show you a way to play it online. So let's get started, and first of all let's open up a browser and type in the search box That's Not My Neighbor and press enter. And now go to the first site, click on the button Play Now, and now you can play online without downloading this game. Okay, let's close it. And next I'll show you how to download it. Go back, and to download this game we have to go to this website itch.io. Click right here, scroll down a bit, and right here you can see that this game is a paid game, but you can play demo version and you can easily download it to your platform. And for example, to download this game for Windows platform, click on the first button, download. And after this game is installed, run it. And unfortunately, to play the full version, you'll have to pay $3 at least. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.